What are you doing sleeping on the floor? Hi. Sleepyhead. Hiya. Just put the laundry in the machine. Cloudy day. I've got Emirates at 6 and that's it. No other plans. I do some tidying and cleaning. Got a headache. Didn't sleep too good last night. My new passport is with Daddy. I told him yesterday I need him to take a photo, the front page, and send it to me. I need to send it to Julia, but he hasn't done it yet. I know he's busy, like meetings yesterday and today. So I'll wait. Get that done. Only then I'll be able to confirm the dates. Looks more like haze. I sent a message to Hillary. I told her that we're thinking about her. Okay lah. I start first, huh? Yeah.